Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see keyboard key changed by themselves. Let's fix it guys. Just need to go to search to and type settings and click on open it. Go to time and language, select the language and region, and under preferred languages you just need to select the English United say three dot icon and select the move up option, and then remove all the extra languages listed under. Doing this, click on the drop down and select this remove option and select yes. And now make sure only one language is there, English United States. And then just close up here. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it and select time and language and select typing and select advanced keyboard settings. Select this input language hotkeys and select this between input languages and select the change key sequence and set this both option to not assigned and select OK option and select apply and OK. And now whenever you press the Control plus Shift key in your keyboard, the language switch will doesn't happen. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it and go to language and select the typing, select the advanced keyboard settings and uncheck this option guys. Let me use a different input method for each app window and then just closed up here. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it and select accessibility and then scroll down, select keyboard and make sure you turned off these three options, sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. Make sure it is turned off all three and then just closed up here. Method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it, expand the keyboard section and right on over HID keyboard and select uninstall device option and select uninstall. After the uninstallation done, just close up here and restart your PC and the Windows will be reinstall the driver after restart done. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.